Vanakkam. Welcome to the 11th module of video lesson. Continuously we are studying the topic of rational numbers, in which each and every video we are solving 5 questions from the chapter of rational numbers. By the same way, in this class also we are going to solve 5 rational number problems. And this course is presented for you by Vidhyalakshmi Senior Secondary School, Vellore. Let us start our session with our first question. You can see that this 18 can be expressed as 18 multiplied by 10. Okay, this 20 can be expressed as 2 multiplied by 10. So I can find a common factor here, 10 between these two. Then in the next step I can write furthermore this 18 as 6 into 3. Am I right? 6 into 3 is 18. By the same way here, this 12 can be expressed as 6 into 2. 6 into 2. Okay. So what are all the common factors here available in the numerator? See, this 6 is common between these two terms. This 10 is common. So I can take out 6 and 10 from the numerator, and remaining factors I need to take inside. Okay. By the same way, I want to see the common factors in the denominator. So this 55, you can see that we can express like 5 into 11. Am I right? Yes, 5 into 11. And this 140 we can express like 14 multiplied by 10. Yes, 14 multiplied by 10. So what are all the common factors you can see here? Yes, here this 10 is common. By the same, here also 10 is available. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. Okay, right. In the next step, I am going to take out the common factors that I have marked here. 6 into 10, 6 multiplied by 10 I want to take out, and in the denominator this 10 I want to take out. So after taking out the common factors, the remaining things I want to see. Here 3 is available, the remaining, and 15 is there. So 3 multiplied by 15 is 45. 45 minus, and here after taking out this 6 and 10, this 2 times we are having 2 there, so 2 2s are 4, the whole divided by, here 14 multiplied by 8 we are having. So 14 multiplied by 8 is 14 into 8, 112, 112. 112 we are having, 14 multiplied by 8 plus 11, okay, plus 11. Then we can go for further simplification. Here we can make cancellation these 2 tens, and the remaining is we are having 6. 45 minus 4 is 41, and here 112 plus 11, 123. Okay. So here also we can make cancellation between this 6 and 123, because both are having 3 as common factor. So I want to cancel 3 from this. So the remainder is 2. That is, I will be having 2 as a quotient. And here when I divide by 3, 3 4s are 12 and 3 1s are 3. So 41. And in turn this 41, these two 41s will be cancelled, and the answer I am getting, the final answer is 2. So simplified answer for this question is 2, and it is actually matching with the option C. Option C is the correct answer for this. Yeah, you can check the answer also here. Yes, option C is the correct answer, and the same thing that we got. Okay. Then we are going to the second question. I want to take the question carefully. 8 minus, within bracket I am having 5 minus, inside that there is a bracket, minus 3 plus 2, and then divided by 2, the whole divided by modulus 5 minus 3 minus modulus of 5 minus 8, and divided by 3 at last. Okay, I have taken the question. First of all, I want to simplify the numbers which are inside the bracket. So 8 minus of, and this is actually minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 you will be having what? Minus 1. That minus 1 in turn, when it is multiplied with this minus, it will become plus 1. Am I right? So plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So we are having 6 here. 6 divided by 2. The whole divided by 5 minus 3, 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. And then 5 minus 8, minus 3. The absolute value of this minus 3 is plus 3. Okay. So here we are getting plus 3. We are having one minus outside, no? So because of that we are getting minus 3. Clear? Inside the absolute value symbol we are getting minus 3. When you apply absolute value it will become plus 3. But outside we are having one minus. So for that we are getting minus 3 here. And later on followed by divided by 3. So after this step we have to look at here what the step we have to do furthermore, whether it's this subtraction or this division. We have to think about it. Definitely I tell you division we have to carry, because after division only we have to perform this subtraction. So 6 divided by 2, what you will be having? 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then here also we have to do the division. So 2 minus this 3 by 3 is 1. Am I right? Okay. 8 minus 3 you will be having 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 5 by 1 you will be having 5. 5 by 1 is nothing but 5. And 5 is the answer, and you are having in option D. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Let us check the answer here available here. Okay, you can see that yes, 5 is the correct answer and it is option D. Okay, let us take the question carefully as it is given in this problem. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 14 plus 1 by 28 we are having. Okay. When I look at this problem, I can get an idea. What the idea I can get? See, this is the greatest number of this, of all the denominator, 28. And the remaining numbers, when you observe the remaining numbers, we are having 2 followed by 4, this 7 and this 14. Okay. This 2, 4, 7 and 14 are actually the factors of this 28. 28 will have the factors 2, 4, 7 and 14. These are the factors. Okay. No any other factor that 28 has. And also 1. Okay. Because 1 is actually a common factor for all. So here it is given that all the reciprocals of the factors of this number 28 are added together along with the number 28, along with the reciprocal of the number 28. Okay. And another one more thing you have to know about this number 28. 28 is a perfect number. 28 is said to be a perfect number. So a perfect number, what is a perfect number? When you take 28 and if you write all the factors, 1, 2 is the next factor and 4 is the third factor, and then next 7 followed by 14. So these are the factors of 28. When you add all these factors, what you will be getting? See, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 14 you will be getting 28. You will be having the same number. So a perfect number is a number that when all the factors of the numbers is added, then you will be getting the same number. So a number, when all the factors are added together, that which it gives the same number is said to be a perfect number. Okay. Here definitely I tell you that 28 is a perfect number, and here it is given that the sum of the reciprocals of all the factors of the perfect number along with that number is given, along with the reciprocal of that number is given. And you have to know that whenever you are having a pattern of number like this, you can directly write the answer 2 without doing any calculation. Okay. So this you have to remember. So this is a very short idea that you can do only in the case of perfect number. Only in the case of perfect number, and no need to go for LCM, taking LCM, making the fractions to be in equivalent fraction and adding everything, making a lot of confusions. No. Just simply you can put 2. Okay, right. Yeah, we can check our answer also here. Yes, the sum of the reciprocals of all the divisors of a perfect number. Here in this you have to notice perfect number, including that of its own, is always equal to 2. So that all this added together to get 2. Option A, the correct answer. Okay. Then next question, question number 4. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Then find the value of x, it is asked. See, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Here we want to find the value of x. So for that, what I am doing, I just keep this 1 by x in left side and taking all together the remaining terms to right side. 4, this 1 by 3 goes as minus 1 by 3 and this 1 by 2 goes as minus 1 by 2 to right side. Then for finding the value of x, I want to simplify this. Okay, I just keep this 4 minus 1 by 3 into multiplying by 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Then you can see that 4 minus 2 by 6 minus 3 by 6. So this is equal to 4 minus, so this is not 2, this is minus 2. So minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, minus 5 by 6. Then on simplification you will be having 6 4s are 24, 24 minus 5 is 24 minus 5 is 19, 19 by 6 you are having in the place of 1 by x. But it is asked, it is not asked to find the value of 1 by x, it is asked to find the value of x. So x is equal to, we have to take the reciprocal. So the reciprocal gives the value of x. So 19 by 6 will become 6 by 19. So the value of x must be 6 by 19. And let us check, is there any option that is having 6 by 19? Yes, definitely option B is having 6 by 19. And let us check the answer. Yeah, 6 by 19 is the correct answer and it is option B. Then going to the last question of this session. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 we are having is divided by another one more expression that is given here. 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. Okay, the result is asked. Okay, this whole expression is divided by this whole expression. This is actually containing rational numbers and this is also actually containing rational numbers which are added and subtracted together. So what I am going to do, first of all I want to simplify this expression, later on this separately, and then I will be dividing both. Okay, so first I take this, okay, and then you can see what is the LCM between this 2, 4, 5 and 6. We have to find it. 2, 4, 5, 6. The LCM we are finding. First take 2 1 time, 2 time, 5 I am taking down 3 time. No any other common factor. So every number, all the numbers become prime. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 23s are 60. So the LCM we are having is 60. So for that I want to make adjustments inside this rational numbers. So 1 by 2 into 30 by 30, then only I will be getting 60, minus 1 by 4 into 15 by 15, plus 1 by 5 into 12 by 12, minus 1 by 6 into 10 by 10. Then on simplification, 30 ones are 30, 30 by 60, minus 15 ones are 15, 15 by 60, plus 12 ones are 12, 12 by 60, minus 10 by 60 we are having. So which is equal to, we can see that 30 by 60, we are having 30 by 60 here, and this is minus 15. 30 minus 15 is 15. 15 by 60. 15 minus 10 we are having 5. 5 plus 12 is 17. So 17 by 60 we are having for the part of the numerator. The next we have to simplify this one. So just keep it in your mind that 17 by 60 we are having for this. Okay, I am going to erase this. See, I want to take the expression 2 by 5 minus 5 by 9 plus 3 by 5 minus 7 by 18. Okay, first I am going to take the LCM for this 5, 9, 5, 18. So 5 I am dividing by 5. So 5 ones are 9 and 5 ones are again this is actually 18 I am taking down as it is. Then I am going with 9, 1, 1, 1, 2. Then no way but to simplify this for to get the LCM. So LCM I will be having what? 5 2s are 10, 10 9s are 90. So 90 is the LCM. So everything I want to make to be with 90 in the denominator. So 2 by 5 and I need to multiply by 18 because 18 5s are 90. 5 by 9 multiplied by 10 plus 3 by 5 multiplied by again 18 here minus 7 by 18 multiplied by 5. So after multiplication what you are getting 2 into 18 is 36, 36 by 90 minus 5 tens are 50, 50 by 90 plus 3 18s 54 by 90 minus 7 5s are 35 by 90. Then we have to add all together, we have to simplify this. See, this 36 by 90 minus 35 by 90 you will be getting 1 by 90 plus 1 by 90. Okay. Then here when you simplify this to 54 minus 50 is 4 plus 4 by 90 you will have. Okay. 4 plus 1 is actually 5. 5 by 90 is the simplified answer for the for this expression. Then what we have to do? We have to divide the simplified value of this one along with this one. Okay. What was the simplified value of this one that we got? It is 17 by 60. Yes. This we have to divide by this 5 by 90. When you divide by 5 by 90, see this zeros, it can be cancelled, and furthermore 3 3s are 9 and here 3 2s are 6. Then no any other further simplification is available. So we are having 17 by 2 in the numerator, and when you make the reciprocal 5 by 3 it will become 3 by 5. Okay. Then 17 into 3 is 51, 51 by 10. 51 by 10 is the simplified answer for this, and this 51 by 10 when you make it into mixed fraction 5 tens are 50 and 1 by 10. The remainder is 1, 1 by 10. So 5 1 by 10 is the correct answer and it is in option D. Option D is the correct answer for this problem, and let us check the answer. Yes, 51 by 10 is the correct answer, and 51 by 10 is nothing but 5 by 10, 5 1 by 10. Okay. And now I want to happily tell you that with this video module we have been completed 50 questions. Second video model we have been solving 5 questions from in each and every video model, and this is our 11th video module. The first video module was introduction part. Later on we have been completed 10 video modules, each of solving 5 questions. So happily I want to tell you that we have been completed 50 questions in solving the problems in the topic of rational numbers, and this is actually the last video module of this topic, rational numbers, in this first version. In the next version we will be studying some advanced topic in the topic of rational numbers, and next video will be a video that consists of fast learning program. That video is called as Revision Express. Okay. And after that video we will be seeing the next part of this rational number topic. Okay. And also I want to tell you that please subscribe our channel, follow us, and like the video if you like it, and share with other friends because they can be benefited. Thank you all. God bless you all. See you. God bless you.